remember when we started this exhibition, a standalone jewelry machinery exhibition, people were not very confident that this will work. Of course, not in India, and internationally some people used to just look at me and say, oh, a machinery exhibition without jewelry, who is going to visit? So it took 3 long years for people and industry to understand that India is the second biggest jewelry manufacturing hub. And it's a need of the hour to respect machinery, the core behind making the jewelry, which contributes so much to the GDP of the nation. And last 3 years, I think a big round of applause and thank you everybody that you have really put in a lot of efforts to make a big noise that, hey, machinery is the one which makes the jewelry. Because all the accolades and no disrespect, the end products gets the, visibility. But the machinery guys were not getting that kind of a visibility. And I think this has created importance that is machinery has to be given a separate platform where the manufacturer who is usually participating in the jewelry exhibition, he comes with a big setup, a big stock, and he is interested in selling. He doesn't have the mindset to come with his production team, understand and learn what is happening new. So this exhibition now, whenever we are calling, everybody is aware, not only in India, we are happy that from the neighboring countries like Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Dubai, Saudi, Doha, even to some European countries, people have this calendar in their annual calendar and they do come. The advantage what they get here is they can compare the best and also the affordable machines. Everybody has got vision to go big, but this exhibition gives them to start. And in their mind, they know that where they want to go. At the same time, see, jewelry exhibitions, people can take jewelry and go to buy it. But machines is something you just can't take the machines and show them. They have to come here and see the running machines. So people have understood, yes, jewelry machinery exhibition is the need of the hour, especially for a country like India. And we are very happy that we have created this niche in Dubai. Even in Saudi, we are having a 3rd edition coming up, where machinery is much appreciated than jewelry. So again, a big round of applause for people who are actually traveling. And I'm very happy that Indian jewelry machinery manufacturers are going first time to international. And it really gives me pride that we are somewhere there in their business to take them internationally. I'm not going to take too much of time. We are very happy that we have grown. We have shifted from hall number 4 to 1 because the exhibition has grown to a larger extent. We have introduced a very innovative concept called Innovative Pavilion because everybody who comes here is always looking for what is new, what innovation is there. So this is our first step. I'm sure next step we'll have more companies. We have also created a small app. We have created QR codes. So if somebody is coming and he is interested looking at a product, they can just scan the QR code, enter what he is looking at, and he can see the number of companies manufacturing that product. So it becomes easier because show directory is there, but it still becomes cumbersome for him to find the location. So we have created that code. Please explain to your visitors that please scan the code and look at us. So I'm not taking too much of your time. Thank you so much, and wish us and give us a blessing that this exhibition becomes a great success. Thank you so much.